All right, folks, we do have a storm risk again for this afternoon. All right, it's a low risk, albeit, okay, it's not going to be a huge widespread, oh my gosh, look out, here it comes. No, nothing like that. But more rain, scattered storms on the way for this afternoon. We'll say 2 p.m. and afterwards. Latest data trending for a later in the day scenario. It's a marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5 scale for severe weather. Low, okay? And tornado risk, not even going to mention it. Not even worth mentioning. Hail risk also not looking like much. It's going to be a risk for wind, 50 to 60 miles per hour, and locally heavy rain, which could lead to, yes, more flooding. So already this morning, we've got one batch of showers making its way through west central to central Missouri, from Eldon to Versailles, Lake Ozarks, Camdenton, lifting towards Jeff City and eventually over towards Rolla and Vienna as well. That's moving out. The storms this morning in Kansas is what's going to give us our next round of storms this afternoon. So this leftover energy, the rain fades away, but the energy wave is still there, okay? So the swirls, the boundaries, all that stuff over here in Kansas is going to keep on moving into the Ozarks. As it does, it's entering into a more unstable environment during the afternoon, which is when temperatures are warmest, giving it the most lifting capabilities. So as that activity moves out of Kansas into Missouri, we'll see a risk of pop-up, scattered showers and thunderstorms. So right now this morning, a few stray showers north of I-44, and then this afternoon, start to see a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms, especially near and south of I-44, but don't rule it out entirely north of the interstate either, okay? But the better chances right now look to be south of the interstate for round 2 of storms coming this afternoon. Cold front comes in this evening. That eliminates all rain chances. We're dry tomorrow, becoming sunny too for your Tuesday, and feeling a little nicer too. Still in the 80s, okay, for Tuesday, but the humidity will be lower, all right? It'll be more comfortable than what we've seen recently, right? So the wind risk, it's a low risk, 50 to 60 miles an hour in pockets. That's isolated pockets. Not everybody's going to be dealing with the big storm today, right? That's not going to happen. As we look at rainfall from this, again, most spots hit or miss, dodging showers and thunderstorms. Heavy rain to the south of the interstate, and there will be local amounts that could reach an additional inch of rainfall today, potentially more than an inch locally. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, jumping ahead, 4th of July, right? The weekend looks hot, looks steamy. So we have some nice weather days coming for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then the humidity, the warm air all starts to surge back in from the south right on time for the holiday. So for today, middle 80s, scattered showers, a light wind generally from the south. Thunderstorms could bring winds 50 to 60 miles an hour in pockets. We'll shut that down tonight. Nice weather Tuesday, Wednesday. Warm, back to the 90s, right on time for 4th of July.
All right, Tom, thanks.